How to fix Kerbal Space Program 2 missing executable error on PC. 1. Reboot your PC. 2. Verify the game files in Steam. 3. Skip the Steam launcher. To do so, add the following command into Steam launch options for KSP2, /Steam library /Steam apps common /Kerbal space program 2 /KSP2 underscore x64.exe command plan B, use this one below. /Steam library /Steam apps common /Kerbal space program 2 /KSP2 underscore x64.exe command %knowledge 4, launch the game, KSP2 underscore x64.exe. From the installation folder, as administrator. 5. White. List the game, KSP2 underscore x64.exe. Again, from antivirus and firewall. 6. Uninstall. Then reinstall the game.